Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about linear combination of matrices. So let's say we're given G, which the order of G is a 2 by 3, and H, which the order of H is also a 2 by 3, and we're told to find 5G plus 3H. Well, we know how to find 5G. 5G is going to be 5 times each of the entries in G, so it's going to be 25, negative 30, 25, negative 35, 30, and 5. That is 5G. Now 3H, I'm going to put to the left here, is 3 times the entries in H. So that's going to be 3 times 7, or 21. 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12. 3 times 1, which is 3. And then we'll have 6, negative 15, and a positive 21. And then what am I going to do with 5G and 3H? I'm going to add them. So I have a new 2 by 3 matrix plus a new 2 by 3 matrix, but they both have the same order still, so I can add them. And I'll end up with, well, 25 plus 21 is 46. Negative 30 plus negative 12, negative 42. Then I'll get 25 plus 3 is 28. Negative 35 plus 6 is negative 29. 30 plus negative 15 is a positive 15, and then 5 plus 21 is 26. So this is my resulting matrix, which is the matrix 5 times G plus the matrix 3 times H. So this is my solution right here. And that is linear combination of matrices.